Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner here. Today got a fun one for you. At least this one's fun for me. They are in, that's right guys. You guys know, you follow the channel, we finally recently were able to partner up here with Dogelord Apparel. And we finally got some of our first swag out. That's right guys. Nobody else has this stuff out yet. I believe no one else has this stuff in your hands. So this is going to be an unboxing of some Not Your Normal Miner swag. We did pick up one of the Milf shirts, that's right, Man I Love Farming, as well as one of our Not Your Normal Miner logo t-shirts. We picked those up over at dogelordapparel.com, so we're going to have links so that you guys can pick these up in the description down below. But without further ado, man, we got an unboxing to do. So let's get into it. As always guys, make sure you check out the links in the description down below so you guys can do your own research. And what I mean by that is so you can check out all the different color combinations of the Milf shirt, the Man I Love Farming shirt that we're going to talk with you about, as well as the Not Your Normal Miner short sleeve t-shirt here. There's going to be, like I said, links in the description down below so you can check those out. Huge shout out, huge thank you to the team at Dogelord Apparel for hooking us up, getting us set up, getting us pointed in the right direction. Want to send a huge shout out as well to the artists that we reached out to over on Fiverr. We're going to have just a specific video here coming out. Sending a huge shout out, thank you to all the artists that we have commissioned that have helped us out once we get a few more things out. So, as always though guys, in the description down below, we'll have links to everything so you can check this out. But we've got this unboxing here. I really love how quick Dogelord Apparel does get the things that we order shipped out, whether it's mugs, whether it's hats. You guys see me in the Dogelord hat that we're wearing, or other cryptocurrency or YouTube celebrities, whether it's their swag or whether it's ours. So we got a nice package here from Dogelord Apparel. Let's go ahead and get into it real quick. As always guys, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, let us know what you like about Dogelord Apparel. Let us know if you've ordered some Dogelord Apparel before. I love the smell of print. But so these are fresh and hot off the press. One of the things I like about these unboxings is we are very transparent here, and same thing with Dogelord Apparel. If something's not right, they have been great about getting things taken care of. And it is not often that things aren't right. So, we got a couple shirts that are here for this unboxing. I cannot believe it, guys. We got the Milf shirt in and the Not Your Normal Miner stuff. Oh my goodness. This is nuts, guys. Please give us a thumbs up. Please comment down below. Let us know what you think. Let's go ahead and get into this. Like I said, guys, this stuff comes nice and packaged. So, if you've got an issue here, typically it's still packaged really nice. Sizes come just like they should. I cannot wait to get some of this stuff for my kids. They really love seeing their dad on a shirt. So, first shirt that we're going to unbox here for you is the Not Your Normal Miner logo shirt. Wow, I think that turned out pretty good. What do you guys think? Please comment down below. Let us know what you think. We'll actually be featuring some of this swag up in our next upcoming hashtag Crypto Swag Friday. You guys need to keep up with that. You need to let us know where we can get your favorite crypto swag, because you guys know we love supporting the community and such. So there's one nice piece of apparel from Dogelord that we've gotten. I'm a huge fan. I've got multiple hats, multiple shirts. Love all the work that you guys do with Dogelord Apparel. We'll get back here in just a minute. Show you a link once again where you guys can get these. The next, and these are the first ones that are actually here. No one else has these yet, but you can pick them up over on Dogelord Apparel. Don't delay, buy today. Milf. Man I Love Farming. What do you guys think about that? I think that just turned out so great, guys. I am so impressed with both of these, how these both turned out. And once again, in the description down below, you guys are going to be able to see where you can pick those up. You're going to be able to get those over at, once again, don't delay, buy today. You can head over to Dogelord Apparel, and we'll definitely have All sorts of different links down below. But you can get that. You can get all that mining apparel and such, and you'll see right there is that Not Your Normal Miner collection. Make sure you keep an eye out, guys. We got a lot of fun stuff coming in the pipeline. There's a lot of other great things you can get over on Dogelord Apparel. But like I said, today we've been talking with you guys about the Milf shirt, the Man I Love Farming shirt. Lots of different sizes, lots of different colors there that you can get, as well as being able to pick up the Not Your Normal Miner short sleeve t-shirt. If you guys want to help support the channel, this is a really good way. If you guys want to support Dogelord Apparel, please, man, they've got great stuff. The team has been really great to work with. Can't thank the team over there at Dogelord Apparel enough for helping us out. But wrapping things up, we've been doing an unboxing here, and when I say unboxing, we had a couple pieces of apparel get in from Dogelord Apparel. I'm really excited to get this stuff. Let's see here if I can get it on the camera quite right. Get it on and get it featured in hashtag Crypto Swag Friday. So there's one piece of apparel, and then do not forget the Man I Love Farming. So this one definitely should appeal to all you farmers out there. This is what you do all day, every day, guys. Really appreciate your guys' time. Please comment down below. Let us know what you think about this unboxing. If you guys like these videos, make sure you let your friends know. Make sure you head over to Dogelord Apparel so you can check those out. We're definitely going to be featuring that on hashtag Crypto Swag Friday. Make sure if you're new to the channel, make sure you definitely hit that subscription icon. We got a lot of crazy stuff down the pipeline. So, my name's Wes. I'm Not Your Normal Miner, and we have been sending you over to Dogelord Apparel so you can check out that Not Your Normal Miner collection, so you can get that Not Your Normal Miner swag. But once again, we're going to wrap up this unboxing video of the Milf Man I Love Farming and the Not Your Normal Miner short sleeve t-shirt. My name's Wes, guys. I'm Not Your Normal Miner. I don't know, guys. I'm just at a loss for words. Very thrilled, though. Thank you, Dogelord Apparel. Thank you to the guys at DCA Adventures as well. They've got a Patron over there that you guys can subscribe to as well. Lots of great tips on all sorts of great things. But thank you again, Dogelord Apparel, for all of your help getting set up with the Not Your Normal Miner collection. My name's Wes, Not Your Normal Miner. Thank you.